morning. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, namaskar. This is Suraj Singh speaking from Bharat, India on this day, August 29, 2021, Sunday morning. Quality and safety and talk title is Civil Field Engineering Life Quality AnnexSL, SHE Engineers Role Design Construction Methods, Contracts Organization, Communication Coordination, why we behind quality of standard material. This is after long third trial, I think. I've taken many trials of this today. Airtel signals are not helping, unfortunately. Well, I was on this file that was safe practices, in which I was concentrating on some items, and that was table saw bench or bench saw. It's woodworking tool, it's power tool, and it consists of circular saw blade mounted on arbor or BOR that is driven by electric motor, either directly by belt or by gears, directly or by belts or by gear. Blade protrudes through top of table that we have seen, which provides support for materials, usually wood veneer. That was this one, can say it's like that, protruding. This is protrusion, so it says that stop that says blade protrudes through top of table, which provides support for material, usually wood, being cut. In most modern table saws, depth of cut is varied by moving blade up and down. So we can move this blade up and down. You can see this adjustable one, so you can say depth of cut is controlled that way. And you can say in modern table saws, depth of cut is varied by moving blade up and down. Higher blade protrudes above table, deeper cut that is made in material. In some early table saws, blade and arbor were fixed and table was moved up and down to expose more or less of blades. Angle of cut is controlled by adjusting angle of blade. Angle of cut is controlled by adjusting angle of blade. Some earlier saws angled table to control. So now what says, before table was up and down, it was moved, but now blade is up and down, table is fixed. Can say we can change depth of cut, and angle of cut is controlled by adjusting angle of blade. Some earlier saws angled table to control cuts. So these are various, you can say, types like bench top, job site, compact, contra heavy. Now we'll go to what is bench top. This is bench top here. Bench top table saws are lightweight and are designed to be placed on a table or other support for operation. This type of saw is most often used by homeowners and DIYers. They almost always have a direct drive, blade driven directly by motor. Universal motor. Some early models use small induction motors, which weren't very powerful. Made saw heavy and caused a lot of vibration. Most modern saws can be lifted by one person and carried to and from a particular location. These saws often have parts made of steel, aluminum and plastics, and are designed to be compact and light. Bench top table saws are least expensive, forget that, least capable of table saw. However, they can offer adequate ripping capacity and precision for most tasks. Universal motor is not as durable as quite as an induction motor, but offers more power. It offers more power relative to its size and weight. Top of bench tabletop saw are narrower than those of the contractors and cabinet saws. So width of stock that can be ripped is reduced. Another restriction results from top bearing smaller from front of tabletop to rear. This results in shorter rip ends, which makes it harder to make a clean straight cut when ripping. Also, there is less distance from front edge of tabletop to blade, which makes cross-cutting stock using a miter more difficult. Bench top saws are smallest type of table saws and have least mass, potentially resulting in increased vibrating vibration during a cut. Nowadays these methods are being phased out for more practical job sites. The job site table saws are lightly job site table saws. I'll just pick it up 180 I think. Job site table saw, I think it's more than that, so I should take it 150 better. It's still more, I think. It's